All right, sitting down. Yeah, Charlie Brown wants me to sit down. Quit acting like clown. Yeah, okay. Now I can refocus. I'm all out of whack, yeah. Well, I'm not going to be there. I can be, though. Yeah, we'll split. Oh, look at that. A million birds. You ever seen this? You ever seen a million bird tunnel? Oh, you just got to watch yourself. Look at the million bird tunnel. Look at Oh, you got to understand this. Look at this. Millions and millions and millions of birds. Who's going to tell you about this one? My God. Die. Look. Look at the millions of birds. Look at this. Oh, fucking look. Oh, let's take my camera. Look at the millions of birds. Millions and millions and millions. Oh, oh, my whole feet's broken. There, above me, oh, God. Millions and millions of birds. Millions and millions. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at that. Oh, talk to me. Tell me about it. Oh, who's on it? Look at it. Oh, yeah, God. Oh, look at it. Beautiful launch. Thank you. No. No, he should get off you. 60. We'll come on. We'll slide him back in. No, you did. I will shake it. That's it. That's good. Yeah. Now he's gonna be right there. No, he's gonna. He's on the side. Right. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna put it all up. Yeah. Let's put it up so I can focus. All right. Holy shit. Holy shit. I Neverson, how are you, sir? I think my Neverson. I Neverson doing today. My buddy right there. Ain't you Neverson? Yeah. He's mine. That's my boy. We go back, way back. Oh, look at that. That's it. That's We're coming in, we're going out. And then you, sir, this guy right here says, let me tell you something all about him. Now, now listen up. You was talking to Roger last night. What did he tell you? He tell you everything was a mic? That's what he said? Okay, hold on. Now, we'll put you in on a 60. Yeah, we'll get you out for one. We'll pull over. And then we'll come in on 60. No, I wanted to say something. Yeah, I got focus too. And then we'll run right down. Now he wanted to say something. Now look at he's all there. Now you're done with that. Now you're done with the whole show. You didn't notice? No. Look at this guy. That's what he was telling me the whole story. He said, nah, man. He said, yeah, there we go. We're watching now, 16. He said, hey, Roger Rabbit, you doggone man. He said, don't look at me in here. He said, what are you trying to find? He said, trying to find my hiding spot. You should put your wheat in there. Now, this guy, nah, we're coming over to 216. Now he's hiding. Now you're showing it. Can I get inside the line? Right. We're going to, well, let's go ahead and spread 60. You got me, okay. I'll back it up, Charlie, okay. Anyway, we're working. Yeah, we're coming on this way. Yeah, I know we're coming on. Yeah. He says, well, he should get out my ear. Hey, who are you? When did you come back? Huh? Is that McGeeving? McGeeving, come on. No, I got you too late. Hang on. I will. You know I was, I know you don't like that shit. No, I see the stance. Yeah, we'll do it. Now I have to put it down there. Just 2-1? Okay. 2-1-60. Who we got inside the box? Who? Where's he at, though? No, this is, he's taking steady on that. We'll go right, who's inside that tree? That's a crack, yeah, that's a crack, but who, you didn't tell me that. No, I wasn't trying to be no. Oh, no, he's pulling me down. Okay, so he's all in there. He's just pulled the whole phone into the tree there. I did not know this. Ow! What the fuck? Who was in there? Who's in it? My arm is burning. That's a steady 6'2". I wanted to see. Okay, I'll get out of here. You should get out of my house. Who's in? Okay. No, it's all you. Okay. Can I do it? Don't do it. No, it's 16. Okay, I'll just do one blast 6. And then I'll back it up. Oh, now I had a C72 on that. Yeah, now see. Now we'll go feather in on that. Yeah, I will. Then we'll go pop ginger on that, yeah. This is a regular old crap. But you gotta look in there and guess who's in there. There, I see you. I'm not gonna come in and get you. Who is it? Who? No, do you need help? Oh, no. No, okay, 7, 2, 9. That's Roger 60. Good. Ah, man, I'm telling you. Water. No, is the name of the game out there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, what have done. Now there he goes. Look at this ass. No, you can't get enough. I can't. No. I thought. Yeah, I know I sound like a bumbling nitwit. But that's how you gotta do it. I mean, that's how I thought, you know. You don't talk every. Yeah, if you just sit there and take a video of this, nothing. This video's gonna be loaded with commentary. From the, yeah, I know. I know, I see you right there now, 62. I'm coming in on 7. Yeah, make it. I'll try it. I'm gonna bring it all down. I can't. Yeah. Ow. They're lighting me up. I can't. I'm off of it. I'm off the grid. 6-2. I'm over it.